So what is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is an application on your phone or on your PC that keeps your secret key to the blockchain account. So for example, if you have some Bitcoin, it is not stored in your wallet application, it is stored on the blockchain. And the wallet application keeps your secret key encrypted so that you can operate and do transactions with that account. The secret key is the only way you have to access your balance and do transactions. If you lose it, you lose access to it forever. It's not like the key to your house where you can break into your house if you lose your key. If you lose your secret key, you will never be able to access your account again. To safely store your secret key, it is recommended that you print it on multiple pieces of paper and keep it in safe locations or in the cloud encrypted with a password. Never keep it somewhere where it can be exposed to other people. In the next video, I will talk about fiat currency and the difference between fiat currency and cryptocurrency. Follow for more.